All right, good afternoon, everyone. Whoa.
Whoa.
All right, so today is technically, officially CrunchBaby's birthday. Woo, 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 woo.
Happy birthday, Kaiya.
Happy birthday. All right, so you guys probably saw that we had CrunchBaby's birthday party at the park. If you haven't, go check that out. So we're gonna go show CrunchBaby some horses.
Yay!
Yay.
All right. All right, so we're gonna head over to the Irvine Regional Park. They should have horses there, but I don't.
That's where Jordan rode his.
Yeah, that's where Jordan rode his horse. Yeah,
A pony.
it was. Yeah, it's a pony. But hopefully they have them there. We just finished organizing, or Crunch Mom just finished organizing like all of her toys that she got yesterday. Everything was like Minnie Mouse themed. So hopefully she likes Minnie Mouse for a while, because she's got a lot of Minnie Mouse stuff. But all right, guys, we're gonna head over to the park.
We're grabbing some bummies.
Oh yeah, we're grabbing some banh mi's from Pickle Me. All right, guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so we made it over to the Irvine Regional Park. Sadly, they don't have the horses to ride today. Yeah, I didn't think they had horses last time too, but you could see the horses, so we might just go see the horses. But you can't ride them today, so she can't ride them. We might just head over to the zoo, which we're parked inside right now, but we're eating our sandwiches first. There's picnic tables here, but it's kind of windy and cold, so it's kind of nice in the car. And then we're gonna head to the zoo, and we'll go check out some animals. Do you want to go check out some animals? Okay, all right. We'll see you guys there. That's good.
These sandwiches are always good.
Oh, they're always good? Can I see your hair? Oh yeah, nice hair. All right, guys, so we just finished up. Got out of the car. We're gonna go to the zoo. We wanted to do a shout out to Core Limited for these sweaters. Cool, check these out. Check it out. Check it out. Thanks for the sweaters. You guys want to see Jordan's sweater too? Oh, Jordan's got his sweater on. Look at the mouth. It's a pocket. And then CrunchBaby's got her new sweater on. Yay.
We're styling.
How's your sweater, Kaiya?
I'm good.
Good? Okay, good.
Thank you, guys.
But now the sun's out. And it's hot.
This is the most clothing you'll ever see
It's
Crunch
cold.
Dad wear.
Yeah, this is probably the most clothing you guys will
He
see
actually
me
has
wear.
jeans on.
I usually wear flip-flops or slippers, shorts, a tank top, and a hat. Right now I
You
have...
like those things to wear.
You're right, you're right.
I see something.
Do I have a tank top on or a shirt? Oh, I have a shirt on, a sweater or a hoodie, a hat, jeans, and shoes and socks. That's amazing.
You'd think it'd be like negative something.
And a watch.
Oh, and a watch, yeah. We're gonna head over to the zoo now. Go check out some animals. I think we've shown you guys this zoo before. We'll go check it out. Oh my goodness, he's got a freckle. Oh, whoa. Hi. Hi. Oh, look at that Halloween stuff up. So let's go check it out. Kaiya, do you see the bear? Hi, bear. You say hi, bear.
Hi,
Hi, bear. Oh, look at how big would you be, Jordan? Are you as tall as a sun bear? Let's go see. Oh, Jordan, you're just bigger than a teddy bear.
Way bigger.
Well, just a little bit bigger than a teddy bear. Indian bear.
Whoa, the
Cool.
polar bear is the highest.
Oh, yeah, look how big that is.
I see a horse.
What is that? Oh, look, it's a donkey. Do you see it over there? Do you see it? Oh, it's a collared peccary. You're right. I thought it was a pig. That was a hairy pig. But what is it?
Collared peccary.
Oh, I see, I see.
I
I don't think it's gonna fly. There's no way they could fly.
Every bird can fly.
Oh, what about
Penguins can't fly.
penguins?
But penguins can't.
What about ostriches?
Ostriches can't fly.
No.
Penguins can't fly.
Those two can't fly, but the other
You
rest...
say birds can fly.
Yeah.
All birds so far.
Not all birds. Some birds can fly.
Whoa, check it out. They even have reptiles here. Oh, and they decorated it with Halloween stuff.
Whoa.
Where is it? This one's a red diamond rattlesnake. Whoa, it's hiding. Whoa.
I'm not watching this.
You want to watch the move? Okay.
He's playing.
Oh, hello.
Oh my. If he
Show the
plays-
trick. Show Daddy, Kaiya.
My niece
Where's
there.
your hand?
Oh, no hand.
Pew!
No hand. She doesn't have a hand. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Ah, there it is. Whoa, check it out. So that one's hiding inside the mouth.
Oh, but
And then look at, there's another one. There's another two. And then look at that one over there.
Boa.
Whoa, that's a rosy boa.
See that?
The California king snake. I think it's from Arizona. There's a snake loose in the trees. It just got a person. Whoa. It got the person. It was a trick-or-treater, Jordan. They got him. Look at, there's a coyote. Look at, that's what mommy saw on her sample. A coyote. Look at this monkey. What is she doing? Oh my gosh, now that you turned 2 years old, you're going crazy. You're gonna fall. You're silly. All right, let's go, Missy. Let's go. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so that was pretty much all of the zoo. It's a really small zoo.
It was like $2 to get in.
Yeah, it's $2 and then kids under 2 are free. It takes probably, if you just consistently walk without stopping, will probably take about 15 minutes just to walk through everything. But if you want to stop and see all the animals and the exhibits, then probably another like 10 minutes. So like in a half hour, you could probably do the whole thing. They are expanding the other side over there, and they're going to include, I guess, a mammal, like a big mammal area. But I don't know when that's going to open. There's no signage saying when it's going to open, but they do have it on that side, and there's construction going on, so we can see it actually happening. But overall, I think it's really cool just for the kids to come see different animals. There used to be a petting zoo right back here, but they closed off the petting zoo, I think, due to everything going on right now. So there's no petting zoo, but you can still see the goats and the sheeps and the chickens and all that stuff over there. Well, we didn't get to ride horses, but she got to see a donkey. I guess that's the same.
Thought it was a horse.
She thought it was a horse. Yeah, you're right. So it counts.
Jordan, can you take a picture with Kaiya?
What are you doing?
I see the coyote.
Whoa! Oh, there she goes. She's gone. She's gone. We're gonna head on out of here. Whoa, there's a giant tarantula. Whoa.
Or.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got you. I got you. Oh, you poopied. I think. Smell it? Oh yeah, she pooped. All right, she pooped. We're out of here. We're out. We're out.
Coyote.
Okay, come on, Kaiya. We gotta go change your poopy diaper.
Look at
Oh, really?
the pot.
They have roaming peacocks. Oh yeah, that's another thing. They have roaming peacocks. So the peacocks, they have them in the zoo, but you see them running around in the parks here all the time. I mean, like free-range peacocks. They're probably delicious. I know, PETA's gonna come after us. We're not gonna eat peacocks. They're too hard to catch.
Let's go catch one.
Go get it then.
Where is it though?
You gotta find it. All right, so we can't ride the horsies, but there is a spot where you can come see them. I don't know. I mean, this is not normal, but there's a little spot over here where you can see all the horses. So we're gonna just come show her the horses right now. Oh, these horses are stinkies. Look at her go. Look at her go.
Look at all the food.
Let's go look at the horses. Over there. What is it? Hi, horsey.
Hi.
Say hi.
Shut.
Oh, can you say hi, horsey?
And open.
We can't open it.
Key.
I don't have the key. Yeah. Say hi, cool baby.
Cool baby.
Okay, say hi, horsey. Oh, it's gonna come over here. Kaiya, it's coming. Look, it's coming.
Coming.
Cool horsey. Hi, horsey. Can you pet it?
I don't know if you can pet it.
Oh, it ate it.
What was it?
A leaf. It ate a leaf. Say hi, horsey.
Don't put your
Okay,
hand
okay,
in.
okay. It might eat your hand, but you can go beep, 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 beep.
No.
No. Which one's your favorite?
This.
Which one?
This.
Oh, that one over there?
The black
Oh.
one.
Or that one over there? Which one?
Hug.
Hug. Okay, I'll give you a hug.
This.
Oh, Daddy, give you a hug. Okay.
I say hi.
All right, so we got to see a little bit of the horsies. I think we're gonna start heading back home. Got pretty chilly, so it's a good thing Crunch Mom made me wear this sweater, cause it's cold and windy and chilly. And there's Crunch Mom's. She's got the light blue one. Check it out. All right, baby, let's go.
Tinky.
Stinky, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! You almost fell down. Oh, it stinks like poo poo. You're right. Okay, so we're all done. Did you see the horsies? Okay, so we're all done. We just saw some horsies, but they're stinkies. Stinky, stinky. Yeah, they need to clean it. But okay, so we're gonna head back home now.